Namaskar, my name is Rohini Ghosh and I'm a yoga teacher. Today we are going to explore a profound topic, a question, which is where does true happiness lies? In our journey through life, we seek happiness from various places, achievements, relationships, and various material possessions. But yoga teaches us that true happiness is an inner state rooted in balance, harmony, and self awareness. The illusion of external happiness. Let's understand this. Many of us have experienced moments of happiness through external sources. It could be buying something new, receiving some praise, or achieving your goals. While these could be fulfilling, but the joy they bring could be fleeting. Yoga reminds us that these external factors are very impermanent, and the happiness we receive from these might not be lasting. This pursuit can lead to a cycle of constant striving, leaving us feeling empty and unsatisfied. Inner peace and self awareness. Let's understand this. True happiness, according to yoga, begins within, inside us, not external, not outside. It's about cultivating inner peace, which can be achieved through practices like meditation, pranayam, and mindful living. These practices help us to quieten the mind and helps in connecting us to our inner selves, where we can find a stable sense of contentment. This inner peace is not dependent on any external circumstances. It is a state of being which comes from understanding and accepting ourselves fully. Meaningful relationships and connections. Another very important key to our happiness is the quality of our relationships. Yoga emphasizes on the principles of ahimsa or non-violence and karuna, which is compassion, which encourages us to foster loving and very supporting relationships. Meaningful connections with others provide emotional support, enriches our lives, and give us a sense of belonging. These relationships remind us that we are all interconnected and that true happiness often comes from contributing to the well-being of others. Let's move on to understand personal growth and purpose. Personal growth and living with purpose are also very essential components of true happiness. Yoga teaches us to evolve continuously and to learn about ourselves. This journey of self discovery helps us align our actions with our values, leading to a more fulfilling and authentic life. Purpose gives our life meaning and direction, both the things, motivating us to engage in activities that not only benefit ourselves but also benefits others. This sense of purpose, or we call it dharma in yoga, helps us to see beyond our needs, act in a way which helps us uplift our community. So remember, true happiness lies in a balanced and harmonious life. It's found in inner peace, meaningful relationships, personal growth, and living with purpose. These elements combine to create a deep and lasting sense of fulfillment that is not swayed by external circumstances. As we continue our yoga practice, let us remember that the journey of happiness begins within and is nurtured by our thoughts, our actions, and our connections. Namaskar.